A lot of times you're gonna try and get things done according to the way you want, but there's one point, I wanted this way, and there's another point that it will happen completely different. The only thing that can get you what you were trying to get is perseverance, absolute stubbornness, and determination. And that's something that I was never in the past, but now it's a situation wherein if I if I want it, then there's no matter what, I'm gonna get it. So yeah, just some realization. Day 107, I've not got something that I want, so I'm gonna go at it again. So let's see how that goes.